This is your Pages video. It's divided into three main buttons: Select Layout, Create Page, Show All Pages. This is where you get to create the pages for your website, such as Home, About, and Blog. Let's start with Select Layout. Select Layout gives you the option to choose the navigation to be above banner, below banner, or left navigation. This will give you the option to change the location of the navigation from above here, down, or to the left. Create Page. I'm going to divide this video into three main sections: Add Media, the Tools bar, and your Options section. Let's name this page Testing. Let's start with Add Media. As you can see, you have your media library. You can select any image and insert it into your page. You can also create an images gallery, and this allows you to select multiple images and insert a gallery. You also have the option of inserting an image from a URL or a link. You simply copy and paste the link of the image that you like online in this field, give it a title, and insert it into your page. Another option you have is to upload your own files. Select File. As you can see, you can also upload PNG files, which supports transparency. Let's go ahead and add some text to this page so we can use this image in it. We'll call it Testing. Testing. Insert some text. Select where you want the image to be. Insert into Post. After inserting the image, you have the ability of editing it as well. You can change the size, alignment, title and extra information, ability to add a link to it so it'll take you to a different page, ability of manually changing the width and height, adding margin between the picture and the text, and other options. Update your changes, and here it is. One last thing about the Add Media before moving on is the Insert Media. This allows you to insert files such as audio and video files. Let's go ahead and publish this page to see what it looks like. Over here, Page Order, I will put number 4, so my page will show as the 4th page on the navigation. We will cover this section more in details after we get to the Options section. But for right now, to be able to publish this page, you have to click on Status Edit, Publish, OK, hit Save. After saving anything, you always have to hit refresh on your browser to see the effects take place. And there it is, Testing. Let's go back and create a page to see what a Tools bar can do. Let's call this one Testing 2. The Tools bar is similar to any other Tools bar. The strength of this one lies in those 4 options: the YouTube plugin, the Fluid Grid system, the tabs, and the collapse. Let's start with the YouTube plugin. All what you have to do is insert the name of the channel on YouTube that you would like to see on your website and hit Insert. You'll automatically have the code done for you. All what you have to do is publish, OK. We'll cover all the options section in a minute after we finish covering the Tools bar. Add 5, so it'll show as the 5th page, and save. hit refresh, and there it is. Now on page testing 2, you have the channel CNN on your website. Let's go create another page and see what the other functions do. We'll call this one testing 3. The fluid grid system. It'll open in a window. For right now, let's select 3. It'll give you 3 columns that you can insert text and images in. Let's insert the shortcode. Don't let this confuse you. All what you have to do is worry about the word text and forget about everything else. You just swap the paragraph that you want with this word. To make this easier, let's go ahead and separate them. I copied a small paragraph that I can use here. Publish. OK. Number 6, so the page testing 3 will show as the 6th page. Save. Always hit refresh after save to see the changes. And there it is, testing 3. Let's go back and see what the other tools in your tools bar do. Create a new page. Let's call this one testing 4. In your tabs option, you will have a tab title and a drop down. Tab title allows you to put text inside a tab, and drop downs are just simply drop downs that allows you to put text inside them too. You can remove or add as many drop downs or tab titles as you like. Let's go ahead and keep it at default and insert code. Again, don't let any of this overwhelm you because you'll be doing all your work inside the window of tabs. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Publish it. 7. Save. And again refresh. This is what the tabs option in the tools bar allows you to do. Drop downs. Tab titles. Of course, you have the ability of changing all the names of your drop downs and the tab title. Let's go and see what the collapse does. Create a new page. Call it testing 5. In the collapse, right now let's keep it at 3. Again, all what you have to worry about is this line. Collapse content goes here. Don't let anything else overwhelm you. I'm going to paste the same text that I pasted in the grid system in this one so we can see what it does. Publish. OK. 8. Save. Hit refresh, and there it is, testing 5. Let's see what's in it. You have collapse group items that you can put text or even images in. This concludes your toolbar section. Let's go ahead and show your options section. Over here in your options sections, you have 2 main drop downs, your publish and page order. Your publish has the option of how to show your page and when to show it. The first one, status. You have 2 options, publish or draft. Publish makes it live on the website, and draft saves it for future review and changes. Visibility. You have 3 options, either public, which means everybody can see it, password protected, which means only people with the password can see the page, or private, which means only you can see it. And the last option is future publish. You can put the date and time, and the system will automatically publish any page for you, even if you're not in front of the computer. And lastly, your page order. The page order will order your pages according to the number you give it. For example, this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to the end. The Show All Pages simply allows you to see all the pages that you created previously. You have the ability of previewing the page individually or clicking on the page to edit it. At the top right hand corner, you will see your video tutorial and your preview button. Your preview button allows you to see your website without the tabs at the top.